Hey guys, Frank Minetti, Branch Manager, Advisors Mortgage Freehold. Hope you're having a great day. Thanks for joining us here. I want to talk specifically to a group of people. I want to talk today to first-time home buyers. You know, if you're a first-time home buyer out there, and even if you're not, but specifically first-time home buyers, you know, to walk through your first purchase of a home can be a little bit scary. You know, it's really important that you get step-by-step guidance through that first-time home experience. So I want to give you guys a little lowdown on what's going on in the market as far as first-time home buyers are concerned. And look, I'm located in really central southern New Jersey. That's kind of our wheelhouse, but yeah, we do the entire state as well as other states. But I want to give you some specific idea of what's available to you out there as a first-time home buyer. So you may have heard buzz terms like Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. Well, really what they are is they're quasi-government agencies that are actually publicly traded corporations that we get mortgage guidance from. So Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac both have a first-time homebuyer product available to you. So what does that mean for you? Well, it means a couple different things. First of all, it will give you the ability to put as little as a 3% down payment on a home. I'm going to say that again, as little as a 3% down payment on a home. So you don't have to come out of pocket, which is really the misconception of a lot of people. I need at least a 20% down payment. You don't. You need as little as 3% down. And you can finance your first home. The other kicker to that product, along with Fannie and Freddie both, have a true first-time home buyer program. And when I say true, if you meet certain income requirements, right, based on your household, and when I say household, the people that are going to be involved on the mortgage with regard to the purchase. If you meet certain income criteria, and it's a little different depending on what town you're purchasing in and what county specifically, if you meet that criteria, you will also get a betterment in your mortgage interest rate. So you get lower rates. That's good news, right? And then the other side of the coin too, you may have heard a little bit about private mortgage insurance. If you put less than 20% down on a property, you're required to pay mortgage insurance. Simplest way to explain that, it's mortgage insurance for us as the lender based on the limited equity in the property where we can be covered in case of a shortfall when it comes to a foreclosure. And as a first-time home buyer, fitting under that first-time home buyer product where your income meets the criteria, you also get a lower mortgage insurance payment. So take advantage of those things. You know, click the link in my bio, and if you want to talk about your specific first-time buyer needs, we want to be there for you. So there's many, many first-time home buyer programs. We just talked about Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. Well, if you're living in the state of New Jersey, the state of New Jersey has a first-time home buyer product. It's the New Jersey Mortgage Finance Agency. What's awesome about that, same low down payments, 3.5%, right? But on top of that, if you qualify, they will give you grant money, money that can be used for your down payment and your closing costs. Again, specifically pertaining to your income limit or your income, maximums based on household size. But you have the ability to get grant money from the state that after you stay in that property 5 years, it's forgivable. So if you want information, again, click the link in the bio, and we're going to talk to you about your potential for grant money. But on top of that, there's so many counties in New Jersey that also offer some grant money to you. So if you, again, meet income qualification, their guidelines, you can get grant money from the county you live in to help purchase the property. So even if you exceed those income guidelines, you can still buy with as little as 3% down. So you want to click my link, you want to go there, and we want to talk to you about your specific lending needs as a first-time home buyer. And don't be afraid of the process. You know, I have a couple other things we've been talking about recently about the power of strategic alliances. You want to get with somebody that not only has knowledge of all these first-time homebuyer programs, but people that do them every day. People that can walk you through, hold your hand step by step to make this scary purchase, right? It's the biggest purchase you're ever gonna do. I get it, it's scary. I've owned a number of homes. When I do it, it's not fun, but we want to make it fun for you. We want you to close. We want you to be happy. We want you to enjoy your first home. So click the bio, reach out to us, let us walk you through that first-time home buyer process, and we're going to see the program and product that fits your needs both. Guys, thanks for joining. Again, this is Frank Minetti, Advisors Mortgage Group Freehold. We look forward to helping you with that first-time home purchase.